everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another pick a card reading today. So today we are going to do a reading on what is their next move towards you. So if you are in no separation right now or no communication at this time, this reading is applicable for you. Even if you are dating someone at this time and if you want to know whether this person is going to give you commitment or not, you can still watch this video. And if you have a crush on someone, still you can watch this video. You might get some information about this connection. And guys, this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with you. And in case if it's not resonating with you, you can just choose some another pile, or you can go for some other reading. So this is pile 1, this is pile 2, and this is our pile 3. And thank you so much guys for your love and support, for your subscription, like, comments. Thank you so much. And recently, I'm getting very good feedback for you, from you guys, very positive feedback. I'm so happy, and definitely I will try to just make videos on different topics, and I will try to bring different content for you guys. And at the same time, I will also try to upload more videos. And I have started doing the personal reading again. So in case if you're interested, you can just check the description box. You will get my details over there, and the price chart will be there as well. And before you book the reading, please let me know, because I'll just share the available slot with you. And in case if you like my reading, you can also follow me on my Insta account, that is suntarot444. So let's start with the reading. We'll go with pile 1. So pile 1, let's see what is your person's next move towards you, and it's not gender specific, it's applicable for both male and female, and is a timeless reading as well. So let's see your first card. We have mending card, which is 5 plus is 52. So 52 can be a significant number for you, or number 7 can be a significant number for you as well, because 5 plus 2 is 7, and that is also a divine number. I think definitely some sort of divine, it can be a divine connection between you guys, or maybe divine or universe is helping you to mend this relationship. So right now I think some sort of conflict is going between you both, or maybe it is some sort of no communication phase or separation. I can see definitely for this pile. So this person, the next move of this person is this person will try to mend this connection. And at the same time, I'm also getting the feel that I think this person is also working on himself or herself at this time. Maybe this person needs a lot of healing. This person might have commitment issues, or maybe some past issues, or it can be anything. I can feel that this person needs some sort of healing and some sort of self growth at this time, and this person is very much focused on that, because we have love yourself first. Your self respect makes you more romantically attractive. So with this card, I'm definitely getting that vibe that this person may be just focusing on his career at this moment, focusing on his self development, self growth, maybe doing a lot of meditation at this time, and just healing all sort of negativity which he has or she has in her life. At the same time, I'm also getting that universe is telling you, you should also be focusing on your self-care and self-love at this time, because I think it's not only him or her, I think even you need some sort of healing as well. Maybe you are just impatiently waiting for this person, and somehow you are compromising on maybe on career, on your health, or maybe on your self-care. So universe is telling you that it's fine. It is a divine connection. If you both are meant to be together, you just don't have to sit and wait for this person. Just go with the flow, work on yourself, work on your self development, and when the time will come, this person will come back to you. You both have to be on the same page and same vibration to be come into this union. So you just don't focus on how to mend this relationship. You also have to focus on how to mend yourself as well. And somehow if you are manifesting this person, what I am feeling that you first have to just completely detach yourself from this person's energy and completely try to focus on yourself. When you will start focusing on yourself, you will attract this person back in your life. And self-care, it doesn't only means that it should be like you going to parlor or just doing facial or doing massage and wearing good clothes and just doing a lot of nice hairstyle. Self-care also talks about mending your heart, mending your emotions, and taking care of that as well. In case if you feel that your heart is very much blocked, you should be working on your heart chakra. And if you feel that you have some self-esteem issue, self-respect issue, you should be working on those as well. So recently I have uploaded a video on how to like remove the blockages and how to balance your chakras. So if you are interested, you can watch that video. It might help you for your self-development, and somehow that will help you to attract this person as well in your life. Then we have number 16 card, number 7, like 1 plus 6 again 7. So definitely I think divine is helping you in this connection, but at the same time universe is also telling you that you have to be a little bit patient with this connection. This connection needs time to develop. So if it's taking a lot of time for you guys to come together, or maybe if this person is taking time to give you commitment at this time, like at this moment, you have to be patient, because you both are not ready for a connection at this moment. You both need some sort of healing or some sort of growth. And if you want a solid foundation for solid foundation with each other, you have to give time, because I think divine timing is working. So I think it will be a worth waiting for kind of connection. So when you both will be ready for this connection, and when you both will reunite, you will feel that it was worth to wait for this person. And I think even this person wants you to be a little bit patient with them. And I think this person don't want to make any rush decisions or rush actions towards you. And I think at the same time, I think this person is also working on his dreams. Maybe he has a dream career, or maybe he has a lot of wishes or a lot of priorities in his life at this time. And I think he or she is also working on it. And at the same time, we have number 9 card, dreams coming true. So definitely universe is telling you that just be positive and just manifest this connection. All your dreams will be coming true. So if you are dreaming about this person, if you are dreaming about a reunion with this person, so definitely in the future you will see your manifestation will work, and you will get the results. So definitely within next 9 months, because 9 of cups is there, cup represents a month. So within next 9 months you will see all your wishes will be coming true with regards to this connection. And I think even this person feels that you are their wish fulfillment. This person had a lot of emotion for you. And again I can see an universe here. See, I think universe is helping both of you to manifest this connection. And I can see a lot of water energy over here. There is an emotion. I can see there is emotion between you guys. You both care for each other. There is love is there definitely. You can be in a water sign, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, or maybe this person can be Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. However, sign doesn't matter. Maybe you both are carrying this water energy at this moment. Then we have Queen of Water. So Queen of Water is someone, she is very loving, nurturing and caring. At the same time, she also expresses her love. So I can see in the future this person will be coming towards you, and he or she will be expressing their love. This person will be very much emotionally connect. Like he will emotionally connect with you. So right now, if you feel that this person is a little bit emotionally detached, you will see progression over there. You will see this person will emotionally invest on this connection. He will be or she will be very much expressive about their feeling. Because see, although we have this Queen of Water here, gender doesn't matter. Maybe this person will carry this feminine energy. If it's a male, they might carry this feminine energy where they will be very much caring towards you. They will nurture you. They will express that how much they love you. So I can see in the future a very positive outcome for you guys. However, at this moment, just don't focus on reunion, and just focus on your self growth, because even I can see this person is doing that. So you should be doing that as well. So if you want this loving connection with this person, because see, honestly speaking, if this person is not ready, or if you are not ready for this loving relationship at this time, even if this person comes back into your life, it might lead to a same cycle for you guys. Maybe you have to go through the same conflict, same no communication or ghosting phase again. So it's better just take your time and don't just sit and wait for this person. Just do your work, just go with the flow, surrender to divine, and time will bring you both together. Because in the future I can see with the queen of water energy, some sort of reunion or some sort of loving connection forming between you both. So yeah, that's what I'm getting for you guys. Hopefully you like this reading. Please let me know in the comment section. And now I will be moving to the next pile, that is pile 2. So pile 2, let's see how this person, what's this person's next move towards you. And it's not gender specific, it's applicable for both male and female, and it's a timeless reading. So your first card is All That Glitters, number 16. So number 16 or number 7 can be significant for you guys. So right now I can see this person is wearing some sort of mask, where this person is now completely not showing his true self to you. This person might be hiding their feelings at this time, maybe because I can feel that this person definitely loves you, definitely cares about you. Because the next card is number 45, which makes number 9. So number 45 or 9 can be significant for you guys. Man holding a heart. So definitely this person is feel about you. This person loves you, and somehow this person wants to give his heart to you or her heart to you. Number 9 also talks about wish fulfillment. So definitely this person is wishing to give his emotion, give his heart to you, express his or her love towards you. Right now this person is wearing a mask. I think this person is waiting for the right time, because it says very soon, clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. So I think this person has not completely decided yet that when he should be expressing his love, whether he should be taking more time. Because I can see some sort of confusion and fear is there in this person's heart. Because our next card is Moon, which is number 18 card. So number 18 or number 9 can be significant. I can see 9 here, 45 and 18. So 9 number, or 9, it can be 9 within next 9 weeks, 9 months or 9 days. Some sort of changes might happen, or maybe this person will make some decision. So Moon card talks about fear. So right now this person has some fear about expressing their love. Maybe this person has been rejected in the past by you or by someone else, or maybe a multiple failed relationship in the past, or maybe this person is very introvert or shy kind of person, not very comfortable expressing their emotions to other. So, and that's the reason this person is now in this crossroad, where they are feeling what they should be doing right now, because they like you, and at the same time they want to have this connection with you, but at the same time they are fearful that is whether it will be better for them to just be in this where this mask can be completely shut down. But however, in the future I can see this person will be deciding to come towards you and express their love. We have giving and receiving card as well, number 6. Number 6 can be also significant for you guys. That talks about a connection which is equal, give and receiving. Number that is 6 of Pentacles. So Pentacles or coins talks about stable connection. So I can see a stable connection between two. There is a high possibility of you both forming a stable connection, and I can also see definitely this person feel that you both want to invest on this connection. You both have equal feelings for each other, and you will be the right match for him or her. So I think when he will decide, this person will definitely come towards you. Definitely he will share his love, or she will share his love. And the time frame I'm getting for you guys is 9 weeks, 9 days or 9 months. So depends on the situation you are right now. So yeah, this next move is this person will be coming very soon towards you, and they will tell you how they feel about you. But right now this person is taking some time. So yeah, that's what I'm getting for you, pile 2. Hopefully you like this reading. Please let me know in the comment section. Now I will be moving to the last but not the least, pile 3. So pile 3, let's see what's your person next move towards you. And this reading is not gender specific, it's applicable for both male and female, and it's a timeless reading as well. So your first card is a change in the wind. So within next 12 weeks to 12 months or 12 days as well, for some of you, you will see some sort of change in this connection. Change in the situation. Sorry guys. Change in the situation. So right now, if you guys are in separation or no communication, I can see that definitely some sort of shift in the energy. So maybe you will see suddenly a text from this person, or maybe if you both are following each other in social media, maybe this person will like your picture or leave a small comment on your picture. So some sort of changes will start happening in this connection. So in case if you are not dating this person, or maybe it is not your ex, you just like this person, you might also see certain, like maybe this person will approach you or maybe start talking to you. So some sort of change in the wind, shift in the energy, and I can sense it will be something positive. Because 1 plus 2 is number 3. Number 3 talks about like angels blessing. So I can see a positive shift in this energy within next 12 days, 12 weeks or 12 months. Depends on your situation. Then we have number 35 card, first chakra, Archangel Michael. So number 35 or number 8 can be significant for you guys. And I can say maybe if you believes in Archangel, I think Archangel Michael is helping this connection. Maybe Archangel Michael is helping this person to get to know about you more, or maybe this person is taking a lot of guidance from Archangel Michael. And also talks about base chakra, that we need to ground ourselves. So maybe at this moment this person's energy is little bit ungrounded, where maybe this person is going through some sort of anxiety, depression, anger issue, or maybe this person is too much materialistic at this moment. He or she is just running behind money and emotionally detached. So I think Archangel Michael is helping this person to ground themselves. So maybe this person is meditating a lot nowadays, and which is helping their energy. And maybe this person is spending a lot of time in nature, because when we spend a lot of time in nature, it also helps us to directly connect with earth, and that also help our base chakra to get balanced. So recently I have made a video in Hindi about the chakras and how you can remove the obstacles and blockages and how you can balance your chakras. If you are interested, you can watch that video. You might get some information from that video. So I think this person is trying to ground himself or balance his energy or balance his chakras at this time. And that is good, that this person is focusing on his healing and trying to be in a positive energy. Like before he just come or she just come towards you, he or she wants to be in a very balanced mindset and energy. Next card is number 5, throat chakra. So I think within next 5 weeks to 5 months, I can see this person's throat chakra will be opening, and you will be receiving some sort of communication from this person. It can be over a call, or it can be a text message as well. And this person will be very much expressive about their feelings. I think this connection had some red flags, or maybe right now you are just getting a lot of signs, which is like not signs, I'm getting like a lot of red flags, in the sense like maybe this person was very much ungrounded. So maybe divine was trying to keep you apart, or maybe it can be maybe this person had some past issues, so this person needed some time to heal himself or herself, or it can be this person might be from a different religion, caste or language, and that was a kind of big issue in this relationship. Or it can be a family issues or career related issue as well, or maybe interference of lot of other people in this relationship, and that might has caused some sort of conflict between you guys. Or maybe maybe this person just suddenly ghosted this connection because this person was very much focused on the red flags which was there in this connection, rather than focusing on the positive things you both were sharing with each other. So if it is a new connection, or if you are not dating each other right now, so might be there might be some sort of red flags in this connection. So I can see within next few months or few weeks, there would be an honest heart to heart conversation between you guys. This person and you both will be discussing about the red flags which you have in this connection and how you can just sort it out that. In case if it is family issue, you both will be discussing how you can just manage everything. If it is career, maybe this person will ask for some more time from you, or maybe this person will tell you that I need more time to invest on my career, so I might not text you every time, or I might not meet you every time, and you both have to come to a settlement, like you both will understand each other. Because definitely the future, the last card is Four of Fire, so I can see in the future if you both can just have this heart to heart conversation and understand the situation, I can see a very bright future for you guys. Four of Fire or Four of Wands talks about a commitment, it talks about a solid foundation, is the marriage card as well. So there are high possibility that if you can just have this conversation and you can open up to each other, there are high chances of wedding for you guys. You might, or at least I can see a strong stable foundation forming between you guys. So definitely I can see a positive shift is happening in this connection, and some sort of communication will be coming towards you, and maybe the communication will be maybe this person will directly propose you for marriage as well. This person might tell you that they are looking for a committed relationship with you, or they want to marry you, and however there might be related problems, so which you both have to talk and sort out. I can see a very positive reading for you guys today. I'm happy definitely for you guys. So just work on yourself and just surrender to divine and let them help you to get this person. And if you are manifesting this marriage with this person, so I can see this high possibility that will be coming towards you very soon. So thank you so much guys for watching my video today. Take care. Bye bye.